How to delete your queue on Spotify. Hey, what's up guys? So in this video today, I'm gonna show you how you can actually delete your queue on Spotify. So I'll basically show you step by step on how you can actually find your queue and delete it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into this video here. So you're going to want to head over to the Spotify app here now. Basically, once you're here, go ahead and click on any song you're currently listening to. Now, from here, go ahead and head over to the bottom right-hand corner, and there should be an icon here with two lines, and one of the lines a little bit more open. Now, just go ahead and click that. Once you go ahead and do that, it should bring you to the queue here. Now, you can see all of these songs in your queue that are up next, or you can actually select songs that you want to go ahead and add to your queue. Now, let's just say that you're not too confident or you're not too sure about your, next songs that are in queue. So let's just say you want to go ahead and delete your queue right here and create a new queue. Now, all you have to do is click the clear queue button right here, and that'll go ahead and remove your queued songs, and it'll allow you to actually change them to different ones. So that's essentially how you delete your queue on Spotify. Is actually very simple to do and very easy. So hopefully you found this video extremely helpful. Please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribing, and I'll see you guys until next time.